Hey guys, we're going to start the 1988 Ford Thunderbird V8 conversion. Okay. Ignition, air pump, or fan on, fuel pump on. Give her a little bit of the go-go juice. That wasn't supposed to happen. That one either. Yeah, so I should probably figure out what's doing that.